Welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel. My name's Racquel Henry, founder here at Writers Atelier, and I'm going to give you all a pep talk in a 1-minute-ish video. So today the theme on the Writers Atelier IG page is all about hope, and my message was, may hope always have a place on your writing journey. And the reason why I wanted to talk about this today is because I came across a TikTok video where an author had been so hopeful that she was going to get some really great feedback from her editor. And instead she got feedback that would completely change the direction of her book and completely change the personality of her characters. And she was pretty distraught about it. And so it just reminded me of the fact that, like, how, all these outside factors can come into play and honestly steal your hope. A lot of writers I've also seen make videos recently about all the stuff going on in traditional publishing and all the changes that are being made, and a lot of it is quite discouraging. And some of them had been hopeful, and this has sort of been a thing that has, or things that have stolen their hope. And I just wanted to come on here and remind y'all, don't let anybody steal your hope. No matter what, you keep being hopeful. Hope is one of the few things that we have left, right? So if you're a writer and you're writing and there are outside factors that, coming at you from all directions, it's important to keep up with what's going on, but don't let it break you and don't let it steal your hope. Keep being hopeful, and no matter what, have hope that your project will do whatever you want it to do. If you like this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. And if you want to leave a comment, please feel free to do so below. And I'll see you on the next Motivational Minute. Bye.